Hey guys, in today's video, we will set up Java on VS Code. Let's first download the JDK, Java Development Kit, to run Java files. So, open your web browser and search for this, and click the link by Oracle and select as per your operating system. Select the exe link and wait for it. Till then, you can like the video. Now open the exe file and select next and wait for it to install. Close it. Now we will set the path of JDK in environment variable. So IDEs can access the JDK. Go to program files, Java, then JDK20 and bin. Copy the path. And now open environment variable. Paste the path. Select OK and you are done. Now you can run Java. Visual Studio Code is the most popular IDE by Microsoft, and now let's quickly download it from its official website and select as per your operating system. Open the exe file and select next, 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 next and install. Click finish. Now open VS Code. Click on open folder. Create a new one and now create the Java file with the name demo. Write a simple hello world program. Go to extension bar and search for code runner. Install it. You can see a run button appears. And now install the Java extension package. It helps you in code compilation and code manager and debugging and many more things. Now let's run it. Here is your output. But in output, you can't take input from user. So we will run our code in terminal. For that, go to settings and search for run in terminal and check the box. Again run the code. And there you go. Thanks for watching till here. Here is a quick tip for you. By default, the VS Code fonts are very small. To increase it by your mouse and control key, you can just go to settings and search for mouse wheel zoom and check the box. And now you can zoom your code by using mouse scroll and control key. Subscribe the channel for more VS Code tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.